Manual putty repair versus automatic putty coating machine. In panel production, both manual repair and automatic machines are widely used, but they have clear differences. Manual putty repair requires skilled workers and high labor input. It is slow, especially for thick-wall panels. Quality depends heavily on workers' experience, so thickness and uniformity are hard to control. The job is tiring and labor-intensive, and labor costs keep rising. Automatic putty machines work efficiently with high precision. They scan and detect defects automatically, ensuring even and consistent putty application. They greatly reduce labor intensity and save manpower. Although the initial investment is higher, automatic machines lower long-term labor costs and improve productivity, bringing better economic benefits. Manual repair is still flexible for some special cases, but automatic machines are more efficient, accurate, and cost-effective for mass production.